to court tomorrow for the man accused of taking photos of Senator Thad Cochran's wife. Clayton Kelly is facing even more charges
Big
now.
punches flying both ways on the airwaves since February. Take this spot attacking Chris McDaniel and paid for
Today, Cochran's campaign accused Chris McDaniel of committing a crime by knowing about the pictures and not reporting them to authorities. McDaniel fired back, accusing Cochran's campaign of shameful slander. The photo scandal is, of course, raising the stakes in what has been a bruising campaign tonight. You just heard him there. Tonight, 16 WAPT's Scott Simmons puts the candidates' campaign commercials to our truth test.
Big punches flying both ways on the airwaves since February. Take this spot attacking Chris McDaniel and paid for by the U.S. Chamber of Commerce.
A personal injury class action trial lawyer.
McDaniel does list on his firm's biography that he handles personal injury cases and mass tort litigation. That part is true.
But McDaniel argued with the court to throw out the reforms so he could score big money.
But here's where the facts start to get blurry. In one case, McDaniel did ask a jury for more money than the state's tort reform law allows, so he could score big money. The jury award was for his client, not Chris McDaniel's personal account. Granted, his firm gets a percentage of the award, but that is stretching it. I call this part false. This is a Thad Cochran spot targeting McDaniel.
That's the same Chris McDaniel who's promising Mississippi voters that I'm not going to do anything for you.
That is a quote McDaniel gave regarding less government in people's lives. In the full quote, McDaniel said, I am not going to do anything for you. I'm going to get the government off your back, then I'm going to let you do it for yourself. The ad, to say the least, takes some liberty here. I'm going to call this one false. Yes, he said it, but the ad leaves out a lot of facts.
Sounds crazy, but Chris McDaniel is backed by powerful interests that Governor Haley Barbour calls out-of-state phonies.
McDaniel does have out-of-state campaign support, but so does Cochran. That's true. But come on. McDaniel's camp and outside parties like Freedom Works for America have accused Thad Cochran of voting for the Affordable Care Act.
He voted to fund Obamacare.
Thad Cochran voted to break the impasse on the deadlocked Senate, which allowed the vote on the Affordable Health Care Act to take place. But he voted against Obamacare on numerous occasions. That claim is false.
Sadly, Thad Cochran voted for billions in wasteful spending, like the bridge to nowhere.
This McDaniel spot calls Cochran's vote wasteful spending. Cochran did vote for that matter.
He even raised his own pay 8 times.
This one, though, is a little loose with the facts. There are cost of living adjustments that Cochran did approve, but no evidence of an outright pay increase. Just because he didn't vote against a cost of living increase does not mean he voted for a pay raise 8 times. I call this one true, but come on. Why do candidates and the outside groups who support them spend so much time on negative ads?
Because it works.
Public relations expert Rick Lucer says the perception in politics is that this approach captures voter attention.
The true volume, if you just measure what the candidates are doing, then it's deceiving. But if you measure what the super PACs are doing, then the volume has been unbelievable, and it's only going to get worse.
Election day is June 3rd. For Commitment 2014, Scott Simmons, 16 WAPT News.
Well, the Cochran-McDaniel race has been one of the most watched Senate battles nationwide. In fact, just today, the Washington Post sent out a tweet naming it the nastiest primary in the country. And as Scott said, that primary is coming up June 3rd.